Welcome to Listening Practice in English.
Hi there. You must be new here. I'm Sarah from apartment 5B.
Oh, hello. Yes, I just moved in last week. I'm David, in 3A. Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the building, David. So what do you do?
I'm a high school math teacher. I just got transferred to City High School. How about you?
That's great. I work as a nurse at General Hospital. I've been there for about 5 years now.
Impressive. Where are you originally from?
I was born and raised in a small farming town about 2 hours from here. My whole family still lives there. My parents, 2 brothers, and my grandparents. What about you?
I'm actually from Canada originally. Toronto. But my family moved here when I was 15. Just my mum and younger sister now. My dad passed away a few years ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. How are you finding our city so far?
It's been an adjustment. The pace is much faster than I'm used to, but I'm starting to enjoy all the cultural events and restaurants. The traffic still drives me crazy though.
You'll get used to it. What do you do in your free time?
I'm really into photography. I actually have a small side business doing portrait sessions, and I love hiking when I get the chance.
That's wonderful. I'm more of a homebody, reading, baking, and binge watching shows. Though I do enjoy going to the gym a few times a week.
Nice. Do you have family or friends in the area?
Yes, my best friend from college lives just a few blocks away, and my boyfriend and I have been together for 2 years.
That's great to have that support system. Well, I should probably get going. Need to prepare for classes tomorrow.
Of course, it was lovely meeting you, David. Let me know if you need any recommendations for the area.
Thanks, Sarah. I really appreciate that. See you around the building.